Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Dear Browser, one of the most interesting new browsers in the AI era, and a browser that has attracted a lot of attention because it comes from the same company behind Arc Browser. In this review, we will look at everything you need to know about Dear Browser, including its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it deserves a place as your everyday browser in 2026. Let's get started. Dear is an AI-powered browser designed to make the browser itself more intelligent. Instead of simply giving you access to websites, Dear attempts to understand what you are doing online and help you complete tasks faster. The idea behind Dear is that the browser should become more than a window into the internet. It should become an assistant. Almost every major technology company is exploring AI-powered browsing. The future of browsers may no longer be about who loads website the fastest. Instead, it may be about who can help users work with information most effectively. So now let us talk about the main features. Built-in AI Assistant. The biggest feature of Dear is its built-in AI assistant. Unlike using an AI tool separately in another browser, Dear understands the context of what you're currently viewing. Instead of copying information into an AI tool manually, Dear allows you to interact with your browser content directly. This creates a much smoother workflow. AI Memory. One of the most interesting features of Dear is its memory capability. The goal is for Dear to understand your preferences and how you work so that it can provide more personalized assistance. AI skills and custom workflows. Another powerful feature of Dear is its ability to create reusable AI workflows. Instead of repeatedly typing the same instructions, users can create shortcuts for common tasks. For professionals, creators, marketers, students, and researchers, these small time savings can add up significantly. Better tab organization. Although Dear focuses heavily on AI, it still carries some ideas from Arc. One of Arc's biggest strengths was helping users manage browser chaos. Dear continues this philosophy by focusing on better organization and reducing clutter. This is especially useful for people who use their browser as their main productivity tool. Split screen productivity. Dear also focuses on making multitasking easier. For students, researchers, and remote workers, this type of workflow can make daily tasks much easier. Privacy and control. Because Dear uses AI and browser context, privacy is one of the most important considerations. Users need to understand what information the browser can access and how AI features are being used. For many users, the balance between convenience and privacy will be one of the biggest factors when deciding whether to use an AI browser. Now, what is the pricing like? Currently, the Dear browser has no pricing information on its website. Instead, what you get is to join the waitlist for when the browser will be launched. Now, what are the pros and cons? First, the pros. AI is built directly into the browser. It saves time, is excellent for research, and has more personalized experience. How about the cons? The AI may not be necessary for some users, and there might be privacy concerns. So, after looking at everything that Dear offers, here's the biggest question. Is this browser the one everyone should be using in 2026? Well, the answer depends heavily on how you use the internet. For people who spend hours every day researching, writing, analyzing information, studying, or even managing projects online, Dear represents a very interesting future. And that's it on the review of the Dear browser. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Arc Browser, Brave Browser, and Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.